What's up people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhaskar. I hope you all are fine. In previous video we discussed about how to add and manage website pages. In this section, in this video we are going to discuss about how to add and manage website menus. So what menus are, let's discuss. So I've already opened the dashboard of our website. Okay, there are no pages because in previous video we created the pages, we managed the pages and we deleted the pages already. To work on menus, I'm going to create the pages again, okay, to give you example in better way. So first I'm adding home page. If you guys are planning to purchase domain name or web hosting service, I would recommend you domainracer.com. You can visit their website and can check the plans. Plans are really very affordable. They use Lightspeed technology and provide you pure SSD disk space. Also provide you free SSL certificate and 360-degree malware protection. Also provide you 7 plus strong security features like Immunify 360 and Immunify AV plus. Okay, the customer support is awesome and available round the clock 24 into 7. Server locations are UK, India, USA, Germany, France, Singapore, Canada and many more. Using the free website builder tool, you can build or design your website without having that much of knowledge of website building and website designing. So let's get back into the topic. Okay, homepage is created. I'm trying to do it as fast as I can. Homepage has been created. Now about us section, about us has been created. Now let's create contact us option, contact us page. Contact us page has been created and published. Refresh your website, you will see all the options, all the pages available here. Okay, now you can navigate to these pages by simply clicking on these pages. Okay, you can see the content, but we have not yet entered any content, so you will see them empty. So let's discuss about menu. Okay, this is our dashboard. Refreshing it, you will see all the created and published page here. It is showing you the date and time the page was published. Okay, so now find menus here. Under appearance you will find menus. Simply click on menus. So there is no menu available right now, so we are going to create one. I'm going to create is with name navigation bar. Okay, these are the option you can select. Okay, I've created the menu. Now you will see the most recent added pages here. So what menu does, you can, each website and each theme have menus in it. Few websites give you menus 2-3 times. We are using nav theme. Okay, so in nav theme it gives us option to use this menu as primary menu, as footer menu, as secondary menu, as, and this option, when we click on this option, that means if you add a new page it will automatically be added to the menu. So I'm selecting all the created pages and adding into the menu. So this is how I added all the created options in menu. So now you can see all the pages have been added in the menu, but you can drag and drop them as per your requirement. Okay, so home will be first, about us will be second, and contact us will be last menu, last page in the menu. So I am saving the menu. So this is how you created the menu, added the page into the menu, and how you set them in order you want. Now I'm refreshing the page and you will see the order is correct now, and we have managed the menus as per our requirement, and we have uh, moved them according to the order we want. So after making the changes, you can simply save the changes and can check the website whether the action you have done, has been applied or not. So this is how you add menu and edit menu. You can also delete pages from here, from menu. See, you can simply click on remove to delete this page from menu, and you can also delete the entire menu by clicking here. Okay, so I'm going to delete this entire menu by clicking here. I've deleted the menu. Deleting the menu doesn't mean that you will lose the pages you created and added into the menu. Okay, the menu simply gives you option to add the created pages in menu or as menu into the website. For example, let me give you example of another theme. Suppose we have created again same menu, we have created again, and same pages I'm going to add into the menu navigation bar. Okay, added the page. So after adding the page, I'm setting them up in correct order. My mouse is not working, so I'm saving the changes here. You can see the results here. So they are again in correct order. Now let's find and apply another theme. Nave is currently active. Suppose I'm using 2020. Okay, so 2020 is activated. Now refresh your page. So you can see the look and feel. Okay, now one more thing you can see here is this theme gives us option twice to display the menu. One is here in top row and another is here in the mid. So that completely depends upon the theme you are going to use. Okay, and you will see the menu option will also be different, and that completely depends upon theme. So desktop extended menu, this was not in Neve theme but it is available in 2020 theme. Then mobile menu, then social menu. So these option depends upon the theme you are currently using. I'm saving the changes here and I'm refreshing the website. Now you will see the desktop extended folder here. So and same goes with social media menu. Okay, by clicking this is the home, this is about us, and this is contact us in same order, because in the menu option we selected social menu, because in social menu we want to give the same page, so we selected this under social menu. Okay, close this, go down, and you will see these options are also available here. Okay, under social media. So under social media we selected the same menu, so same pages will be available in social media tabs. This is how you select menu and you add menu and add pages into menu, and the way you display the menu and you add the same menu in different options under different themes. So that's it guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video and I hope you will practice these options after watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep learning, keep searching, and keep practicing.